Garlic health benefits explain, I almost skipped garlic completely for weeks. Not because I disliked it, because I was tired of hearing exaggerated claims online. Every video sounded like garlic could solve every problem on earth. Then one evening after a heavy dinner, I tried a very simple habit my grandfather used for years. One fresh garlic clove crushed and left for several minutes before eating with food. What happened next was not magic, but the changes were interesting enough to make me research the science behind it. Small food habits affect health. Garlic contains natural sulfur compounds, especially allicin. According to the National Institutes of Health, allicin forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. That is why many researchers believe preparation method matters. Letting garlic sit briefly after crushing may help preserve some active compounds before cooking. The smell becomes powerful instantly, strong enough to clear a room faster than bad karaoke singing. But scientifically, those sulfur compounds are exactly what researchers continue studying for possible health effects. Allicin forms after crushing garlic. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition explored how garlic compounds may support cardiovascular health and normal immune function. Some studies suggest garlic may help support healthy blood pressure levels in certain people when combined with balanced nutrition and lifestyle habits. However, results vary depending on dose, preparation, and individual health condition. I personally noticed something simple first. Heavy meals felt less uncomfortable when I included garlic with vegetables and protein instead of eating greasy fast food late at night. My energy during the morning also felt more stable. Not dramatic, just steadier. Then I learned something important. Raw garlic can be irritating for some people. According to Mayo Clinic, garlic may trigger stomach discomfort, bloating, heartburn, or irritation in sensitive individuals. People taking blood thinners should also be careful because garlic may affect blood clotting in larger amounts. Moderation protects digestion. One mistake many people make is eating excessive amounts quickly because of internet trends. That usually ends badly. I watched a friend try several raw cloves at once during a healthy challenge. His confidence lasted about 40 seconds before his face looked like he regretted every life decision leading to that moment. Small amounts are usually more practical. Many nutrition experts recommend adding garlic naturally into meals instead of treating it like an extreme health shortcut. Soups, roasted vegetables, yogurt sauces, eggs, and rice dishes are easier ways to include it regularly. Another interesting detail involves the immune system. Research from Advances in Therapy discussed how aged garlic extract may support immune function in some adults. But researchers also note that garlic is not a replacement for medical care, medication, or balanced nutrition. Some people need extra caution. People with acid reflux, stomach ulcers, digestive disorders, or certain medication use may react differently to garlic. Children may also find raw garlic too harsh because of its strong compounds. An excessive intake may increase stomach irritation rather than improve digestion. Speak with your doctor first. Tracking your body response is important. Notice changes in digestion, sleep, bloating, energy, and meal tolerance over time. Simple notes often reveal patterns better than following random internet advice. The biggest lesson surprised me the most. Consistency mattered more than intensity. One balanced habit repeated daily worked better than chasing dramatic overnight transformations. Science supports healthy routines, not miracle promises. Simple habits create lasting results. If this video helped you, comment with your favorite way to eat garlic. Healthy choices start small. Sometimes the smartest health improvement begins with one simple ingredient already sitting quietly in your kitchen.